350. Initial price of the listed on the product is 350. Is available at a discount of 25%. Discount of 25. Discount is instead of selling at 100, discount means, right, I want to maximize profit. I tell my friend I am giving you 25 discount. Money lost because of friendship. On 125 less. Again, another D2 it is on 110 less. It is 90. D1 percentage is 25 by 100. D2 percentage is 10 percentage. Instead of selling at 100, I am telling my friend I am selling at 25 less. 125 less 75. 110 less 90. This is the final value. This is the list price or the market price. Both are synonyms. List price or market price. On 125 less, on 110 less, 350. Digital sum is 8. 75. 7 plus 5, 12, 3. 90, it is 9. 9 into any number, 9. Selling price digital sum, it is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 13, 16, 18. It is 9. Answer for this question is 236.25. Answer digital sum, right, should be 9. On 350, 125 less 75, 110 less 90. 8 3s are 24, it is 6. 6 9s are 54, it is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Only option with the digital sum 9 is option A. I hope the concepts are very much